Welcome back to another video on Excel. You won't believe what I used to do earlier. Whenever I wanted to highlight the highest value, I used to do this manually. So for example, in this case, I know that Vikram is the person or the salesperson who's completed the highest sales. So what I used to do is first, of course, sort the data and then look for Vikram. So I know, okay, so this is Vikram. And then I used to click on Vikram or the bar here and then go to home, fill series, and I used to manually change this color. Now, while this is okay, what was happening is whenever the values change, I had to manually go back and change. So, for example, if Asha completed, so that's 6,000, let's assume 6,500. You will see, though the chart is highest here, the color was not getting changed, or it was not changing, or it was not highlighting. So here's how we can do this. Let me show you a demo here. So for example, I know in this case, Farah is completed the highest or has completed the highest sales for a particular month, so 5,600. Let me change the value for Vikram. Let's make that 6,000. You will see the moment I do that, automatically the color for Farah has changed and Vikram is highlighted now. So this is what I want to achieve. Let me show you how we can do this. First, let me make a copy of this. I'm going to press Control, click and drag. So I have a copy of this file here. First, let me select all of them and change the value to something a little more lighter. Maybe let's make it dark and leave that. Now, what I need is I need another reference, which is highlight. Yeah, I'm going to just call that as high. And I want to find out which is the highest value. And I want that to be my reference point. So for this, I'm going to use the if function. So if what this is equal to the max of what max of this range. I want to lock it because I'll be dragging the formula down. I'm going to press an F4 to lock it. So if this is max of this, okay, then what do I want? I want the value of whatever is in that cell if it is max. Or what do I want? I want it to be a 0 if it is false. Close bracket, hit enter. Now you'll see wherever it does not or it is not the max value, it is going to give me a 0. And wherever it matches that value or the maximum value, it is going to give me that value there. Now all that I need to do is I need to create another series here. I'm just going to copy this, Control C. I'm going to click on my chart and Control V, paste it. And you will see the moment I do that, it is come. Ideally, when you paste it, it might not come there because of the series. So what you could do is right click, format data series, and the series gap ensure that ideally when you copy paste it, it might look something like this. Okay, this is what it would be. So again, click on the chart, right click on it, go to format data point, and the series over gap, ensure you make it 100% so that the series are going to overlap. And now if I change any value, so let's assume I'm going to make this to a 7,000, and you will see automatically that changes. And here's the beauty. If there's another 7,000, you will see there are two highlighted. Let's assume there's another 7,000 here. There are three, which is going to automatically get highlighted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel to 10x your Excel journey.